Welcome to today's meditation to make them afraid to lose you. If you are listening to this meditation, I know you feel sad, lonely, and emotional, but it is okay. I am here to help you. After listening to this, your bond with them will grow strong, and the love you have with them will go deeper than you could ever imagine. Now, I want you to be comfortably seated or lie down and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly release it while gently closing your eyes. Another deep breath in and slowly release it, emptying your mind of all worries and concerns. Take another deep breath in and slowly release it out, letting go of any tension. With every inhale, cleanse your spirit and mind, and with every exhale, release all doubts and fears. You are about to connect to the divine inside of you. That part of you is perfect. That part of you is listening right now, waiting for your command. Now visualize your specific person. See their face, their eyes, their hair, their nose, their skin, their body. Your specific person is very sad right now. Thoughts of you have been on their mind, and they have been missing your presence. They miss your smile. They miss your touch. They are afraid that they have lost your love forever. They want to grow their bond with you, but they just don't know how. Now I want you to visualize what you want them to do to grow that loving bond with you. Be very detailed in this image. What do they say to you? What do they do? How do you feel as they are showing you how much they do not want to lose your love? Now visualize hugging your specific person and tell them thank you for that, for all their love and appreciation. Everything you are feeling in this exact moment, trust and believe that your specific person is feeling it too. They now know how they will make this love bond between you two grow stronger. Your image is about to become your reality. It is done. Take a deep inhale and long exhale, and slowly open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They make our love bond stronger" to claim this meditation. Also, if you have been manifesting your specific person for a while and different things and people have been blocking your manifestation, you need to get my blockage removal spell. It is hard to manifest your person back when someone or something is standing in your way, and this blockage removal spell will remove them fast and easily. So do not miss out and remove this blockage today by clicking the link in the description box below or heading to joybyjanell.com. I have thousands of 5-star reviews showing how good my spells work on my site. So if you are ready for your life to be complete and whole with your specific person, this is for you. You don't have to feel lonely anymore. You don't have to feel rejected anymore. You can have the love of your specific person, and you can have them catering to you and chasing you instead of you begging for them. Just click the link in the description box below or head to joybyjanell.com. Bye, my love. I will see you in the next meditation.